Alright, so we're going to test the 560 roomba model. We're gonna hit spot to have a clean a spot. As you can see, in less than 3 minutes it did an exceptional job. No big debris on the carpet, and if you give it a full cycle, which has a new battery, and it'll go for over an hour, it'll get your room, your house, whatever, clean in the time given. After that, it'll return to its docking station. All you gotta do is clean out the dustbin. Check out the other video I'll have with the accessories included in the sale.